Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So in this video today, I am going to talk about the risk versus the reward when it comes to the cleaning industry. I know that there are a lot of things that have changed. So I'm going to talk about three things that are like it's worth the reward, and it's like really worth the reward to take the risk. So the first thing is the money. There is a lot of money in the cleaning industry, and even though it may seem like it's getting smaller and smaller on things you can clean, not really, because there's always going to be things that is too large for their core employees to clean, or they're concerned about it not being professional because we are professionals, or they may feel as if their employees may not show up. One of the great things about hiring a professional company is you know it's going to get done. It's going to get done the right way. So make sure you market that and show your value. I remember, like I said, there was a nail salon that was around the corner from me, and the attitude they had was like, sit down, be quiet, do whatever. And I said, you know what? There's one like you on every corner. And it was true, because there wasn't anything that they did differently. Think about that all the time for your business. Do not allow someone just to say you're just another cleaning company because you want to make sure you do things that does not make that statement true. Whether it's through your customer service, your guarantee, there's so many things you can do to set your business apart. Number two, that makes this oh so worth the risk, because you're going to have a great reward, is when it comes to what you're able to do, the wealth that you're able to bring in from the cleaning company for you personally. So first, there's the money that you're able to make when it comes to your employees, what you're able to pay. Number two is the money you're able to bring in when it comes to what you need. And so you can literally change your life. It's a life changer when it comes to you, your family, and your community, because now you're able to give back and you're able to make that difference. Number three is longevity. This is around, it's not going to be taken over when it comes to IT. There are going to be some tweaks there when you see the automated machines, but that's been going on forever. And what I love about it is that it's like technology has helped us even more. So we have software we can use that can save us money and time. And it is one of those things that we're going to be here. This industry is not going anywhere. And if anything, the pandemic should have shown people that it is so needed and so necessary. So when it comes to the risk versus the reward in the cleaning industry, it is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and it's definitely worth the risk versus the reward. I've been doing this now for well over 26 years, from government, commercial, not really so much residential, but all of those are big money makers. And if you do it the right way, which I know you will, then you will find yourself being able to do this over and over and over. There's no age time for it. There's no race, there's no gender, and there's no geography. It's like you can do it anywhere. So I love this industry. It's one of the best things that I personally would have done and would suggest for anyone, whether you know business a lot or you know it a little bit, but you do want to love what you do. You have to love the industry. And there's so many things to choose from that I'm quite sure you will. So I just gave you three things that make the risk versus reward definitely on the reward side. Now, there are a couple of downsides when it comes to the risk. Sure, you can lose your money like in any business, but I think this is more stable. The capital is low. The entrance into this business is very low, and it allows you to learn what you're doing while you're on the job, which a lot of places don't do that. But what I really love is that technology does not really threaten our industry like so many other ones. So if you'd like to know more when it comes to really starting and scaling, then make sure you sign up for a free masterclass. We actually have two. If you're interested in government to scale your business to six figures and beyond, this is the place. Or if you're interested in commercial, make sure you join us and register for the free masterclass. I'd love to see you. Space is limited. And if you love these videos, please give me a 2 thumbs up. Love it, love it, love it. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.